Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with our pre-market analysis. Now, let's start with US market. Now, on previous session, the Dow Jones fell by close to 600 points, Nasdaq fell by close to 340 points, and S&P 500 fell by 84 points negative. Now, we have to understand why yesterday US market tanked. Well, the main reason behind this was Amazon came out with quarterly results and it was not up to expectations. And because of which, during the market, the Amazon shares fell by 5%. And after market, when Amazon announced that they will be investing close to $200 billion into AWS software, AWS infrastructure, share tanked another 10.5%. That was after hours. So this was the main reason why the US market fell, because Amazon is saying that they are not able to fulfill the demand. That's why they are investing more into AWS infrastructure. Close to they'll be investing $200 billion. Now, because of all this sentiment, the market changed, and even though Anthrophil, they'll be launching another new version for this software which they have launched recently, and because of which we have seen the third consecutive session of negative session in US market. Even other two previous sessions, the Dow Jones was closing in positive, but this time, yesterday, the Dow Jones even closed at 600 points negative. Nasdaq, S&P 500, all this share tanked, and it closed in deep red. Now, at the time of recording, the US 30 is showing a flat opening. Now, another main thing, the US job opening data came and it was below expectation. It is now at low as 2024 December. So, because of which 2020 December, I'm sorry, it is now low at 2020 December, the job opening numbers are. So, these are the concerns why the US market fell. Now, we have to look closely what will be the stance from the government, Trump and its administration, what the decisions they're going to take to improve the situation in America. Now, let's talk about FII and DII data. Now, on previous session, now look at FII selling. FII sold close to 2,150 crores. DII, they bought close to 1,100 crores. But if you look at FII index options buying, they bought close to 9,409 crores. So big buying from FII in index options. Now today another important thing is that US and Iran trade talk is there in Oman for nuclear. So we have to watch that trade talk very closely. Now Asian markets are negative because of the whatever was saw in US market, because of which also the Asian market tanked. Now SGX Nifty is showing a gap down opening of 150 points. Now let's talk about gold, silver, crude oil, cryptocurrencies, and all this segment. Now gold is now below $5,000. Silver is below $70. Bitcoin is down below $65,000. So yesterday in morning, I think around 5 o'clock, the Bitcoin was down 10,000 points. 10,000 points Bitcoin fell. And it has broken a crucial support of $70,000. It is not a technical or a fundamental sell-off. It is basically people are losing conviction in Bitcoin what they had, and because of which the cryptocurrency is falling left, right, center. Now US oil has inched up because there will be a trade talk between US and Iran on nuclear in Oman. So people are expecting what will be the outcome. US and Iran are in very tense situations, so very crucial time it is to be alive. Now SGX Nifty is showing a gap down opening of 150 points, we have discussed. Now let's talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty, another sideways market in Nifty yesterday. Today we are opening right at very important support. Yesterday closing was around 25,725. Now the support is 25,500 and the resistance is 25,800. Now look at Bank Nifty. Yesterday Bank Nifty closed even though above 60,000. Support is at 60,000 and the resistance is 60,500. So we have to watch very closely. Today the RBI monetary policy is also there at 10 a.m. So Sanjay Malhotra sir will be presenting the RBI monetary policy. His tone will be the more to watch. So what they do with the interest rate, we have to watch it very closely. Even though the retail inflation is cooled off, but still I believe there will be no change in the interest rate but at 10 a.m. only we can know what will be their decision. So let's talk about some results. Tata Motor passenger vehicle came out with the results and very disappointment results. Now revenue is down by 38% and net profit is down by 164%. They posted a negative results of 3,468 crores loss. So TMPV, very no, but they have said that in quarter 4 they'll be expecting improvement in their numbers. Let's see, only time can tell. Bharti Airtel another have posted a disappointment results. Revenue is up by 19.60%, but net profit is down by 55%. Today the Tata Steel results will be out, and tomorrow SBI Bank will be coming out with results. So today the very important time is there at 10 a.m. So RBI Governor Sanjay Manotra ji will be presenting the repo rate. So let's see what will be the interest rate. So this is it for today's. I hope you have learned a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.